Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm here with Kitty Wampus to show you how to use the inheritance gizmo and do your assignment. So it says here you're going to follow the directions, go through the simulation. All your answers are going to go in these orange boxes. Here's some vocab. So this first part, the chew, it says in the inheritance gizmo you can create and breed aliens on an imaginary planet. Select asexual reproduction, which I have selected here. It probably is going to be in sexual reproduction when you open it up. And it says during asexual reproduction, a single parent produces offspring, children. So the babies, or baby, is offspring. So I'm going to go to create alien. It says click create an alien and create your own alien. Describe its traits in the parent row of the table. And I'm going to make some adjustments here so that it matches what I already have typed in. So this is what you should see as a default. Oh, bye Kitty Wumpus. And this is what I already have typed in down here. I've got medium, green, straight antenna, and no tattoos. Now I'm going to take my parent, drag it to where it says parent 1. And then press reproduce. So reproduce is up here. Click on it. And in the nest, we get a baby, we get offspring. And then it says to fill in the offspring traits on the table, what traits appear to be inherited from the parent. And it's all the same. See, they're identical. So I've got medium, green, straight, and no tattoos. And then it says for the traits, it's all of them. Depending on what you picked, it might not quite be all of them. There might be some acquired traits, like tattoos. And then it says, because the offspring inherits its traits from one parent, it's called a clone. So that's the first warm-up section of the gizmo. For the rest of the chew, you're going to flip this back over to sexual reproduction. And that got rid of everybody that was on here. So you would drag them to this exit hole here if you had anybody that still showed up. And then we're going to create a green alien and a pink alien. So I'm going to go to create alien. Got a green alien. And I'm going to drag my green alien to parent 1. And now I'm going to change the color here to pink. It's not cooperating with me. Oh, I gotta click create alien first. If there's nothing here, it's not gonna let you change anything. Pink. And now I'm gonna drag this over to parent 2, and if I scroll down here, predict. What do you think the offspring of the green and pink alien will look like? And then in this box right here, you're gonna type what you think it'll look like. And then it says experiment, test your prediction with the gizmo. What did you find? So I want you to predict, so I'm not going to show you what these look like, but I'd click reproduce, and then the baby would show up here. And then it says, when offspring show a mixture of parent traits, the traits are called codominant traits. Predict, what do you think will happen when you breed 2 green and pink spotted aliens? So you're going to write what you think there, and then experiment, follow the steps below. You may have already done the first 2, so place a green and pink alien in locations for parent 1 and parent 2. So that's what I have right now. And you should still have that. You might have some babies down here that you'll have to throw in the exit hole. Breed these parents twice. Drag both the offspring into the spaces below the nest. That's these spaces down here. And then it says drag the 2 green and pink offspring up to become new parent 1 and parent 2. So the offspring you put down here will go up here. Breed these aliens 10 times. Record how many of each skin color occurred in their offspring. For example, if there were 2 green offspring, write 2 below green. So you're going to write down how many of each kind. We've got green, green and pink, and pink. Analyze, look at your results. What skin did most of the offspring have? Whatever that happens to be, you're going to write right here. Did all of the offspring have green and pink skin? Yes or no? Think and discuss. For a codominant trait, the offspring of identical parents always look like the parents. Explain your answer. Excuse me, Kitty Wampus jumped down and now he's wanting to come say hi to you all again. So that's the chew. And then you're going to do something different for the review here. You're going to look at the antenna shape. So it's almost the same, but we've got straight and curly antenna. But you're going to predict again, you're going to experiment again, and this time we've got recessive and dominant traits. Just so you understand, a recessive trait, it hides. So if we have these things called alleles, and recessive traits, you need 2 of the alleles for that trait, and dominance, you only need 1. So what'll happen is you'll see with either the straight or the curly antenna, in some cases you won't be able to get one. And whichever one you can't get or you get less frequently, that's your recessive one. But it's pretty much the same process. You end up making 10, you draw conclusions, and then this very last question, you're comparing sexual reproduction to asexual reproduction and the offspring we end up with. Remember, asexual reproduction, there's 1 parent. And in sexual reproduction, there's 2 parents. I hope this was helpful. Have a wonderful day.